Hi, I'm Captain Salsa and you will see shortcuts from 4 lessons with Anna. Anna is absolutely beginner and she wants to learn how to feel the salsa and she don't want to know only the choreography, and I hope so that you will also learn something. If you want more, if you want to develop very fast, I highly recommend my online video course From Zero to Hero with many stuff, with many steps and details. And this course is for absolutely and beginner dancer. And you will see after 2 weeks huge progress. Just check my website captainsalsa.eu from zero to hero. Okay, let's start.